detoxing is more like a lifestyle than a one and done type of thing. Yeah, it's really more a lifestyle and a practice that you embrace overall. Yeah, and this is the same thing with everything else in life. Yeah, in all life areas, with your business, with your love life, sex life. When you want to keep the fire alive and keep on dating each other until the end of your days, if you want to stay healthy also until the end of your days, right? Have a healthy, functional body which is working and it's fun, nice to live in. You gotta do the work and take self-responsibility for it as well. And also going on your very own healing journey and finding yourself. Yeah, you do that also all the time, over and over again. Yeah, and it will not just end. Yeah, and it's not done with one coaching, with one session. It's all a process. Yeah, and a journey. Each process is a journey. Yeah, and each topic you work on. And we go through countless of them, our whole life, just like layer for layer for layer. So just enjoy the ride, go with the waves and experience this full life the best way you can. And create your own destiny and your own luck, because you can do that. Just take the responsibility and self-ownership. Be radical, honest with yourself over and over again, which isn't always easy, I know, and also be it with others, especially your loved ones, and even this, it's really hard, but remember yourself that you are safe, and it's safe to share it all, and in the end, everything is always happening for you, Everything is going to work out in the end, so just stay and stay consistent. And I know it's not easy to be disciplined, and I've never been a disciplined person, for example, but I became one in some areas of my life, I'm still working on to become better, Also, this is a process, and a thing which will never really end, right? That we will and want to work on ourselves, for ourselves and our loved ones, and become a better person, and even a better version of ourselves through it all, for us and everyone around us. And to serve also the world the best way we can, that we really can contribute to it. And just do what feels good to us. And all we need for it is motivation and passion and love, right? I do believe so. So stick with it. What is close to your heart and your soul, but also know when it's time to let go. A thing, a person, a business, a lifestyle which isn't serving you anymore. The best for you is always really starting right now with where you are, and with curiosity you can tune in to it all. So I do believe, I'm a big believer, I do believe we are here to experiencing it all what our soul desires, which is a full life, right? A peaceful life, a free life, a fun life, a fulfilled life, an abundant life, a juicy life, a life which really turns us on, So not a life which burns us out. Not a life like a life with too much and too big responsibility can lead to that. So be aware about that, and ask yourself what 3 things you can do today to come closer to your dream and goals in life. And are those really your dreams and goals? Also check in with that. Yeah. Why are you all doing it for? Why is it important to you? And then keep on building it, keep on creating it. And if you are doing it, stay consistent. And if you're not doing it yet, then start. Why are you not doing it yet? Find your why, find your goals, find your dreams, and find a vision, create it, and create your own life. It's time. And if you need any help, just let me know. I'm here in your DMs always.